Peace and blessings, fam. Today I would like to share with you how I achieved this beautiful crochet braid style with my client who has alopecia. As you can see, I am doing my brushing process with her hair. I've already moisturized her hair with our G&G hair growth butter. Yes, our G&G hair growth butter is made with 100% organic oils to promote hair growth. Yes. And when my clients come in, I love on their hair. As you can see, I am brushing her hair. I am brushing her scalp. I am trying to stimulate these hair follicles. I am showing her hair some love by not only just moisturizing her hair, but giving her a deep head and scalp massage. Yes. So after I did my brushing process, I started with the healthiest braid pattern for her hair. She does have some severe alopecia and hair loss in the front and at the top. So I am going to be doing the reverse braid pattern. Yes, I'm going to use this reverse braid pattern because her hair is healthier in the back than it is in the front, and I want to reduce as much pulling, tension, and stress on the front of her hair as possible. So I am not going to braid these braids going toward the back, which is what most clients do. We usually braid those braids from the front of the hair around the edges toward the back. But as you can see here, I'm not only just doing the reverse method, I am doing a twist method. Yes, that means instead of braiding this braid to the front, I am twisting the front. I am doing a 2-twist strand, but I'm going to end with a regular 3 braid or 3 strand, and that is to secure the twist to make sure that it does not come loose. So I'm going to continue doing this with each braid that I do coming to the front. I'm going to start off with the regular braid or the 3 strand, and then I'm going to go right into the 2 strand twist, and I'm going to twist that all the way down until I get to the end. As you can see here, this is the braid pattern. This is the reverse twist pattern. Then I'm going to use my silicone cap. Yes, ladies, if you have not seen this silicone cap, it is absolutely wonderful to use, especially for those with hair loss, because you want to definitely make sure that you are protecting the client's hair as much as possible. So I am going to install this net, so that way when I get ready to install her crochets, I am going to be crocheting mainly on the net and not onto her natural hair. Why? Because I want to reduce as much weight on her natural hair as possible, because again, her hair is very fragile. It is thin and is susceptible to break very easy. This is the hair we're going to be using. This is the QVR hair that's made with 100% human hair. As you can see here, both strands of the hair are connected by a small piece of thread. This is the thread, and this hair is actually super to use. The only con that I have with this hair is the thread is so thin that when you are untangling it, sometimes it could be very difficult. But the installation of the hair is very simple. It's very easy. I love working with it. And again, it is 100% human hair. This is the deep wave, and this pattern is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, this is how it's coming out. She does have 20 inches. This is a 20-inch length. And it was so easy to work with. The hair didn't tangle. It didn't mat up. And I just love this hair. Again, the hair is from QVR, and it's the newest crochet human hair that it's pretty much out. Look how pretty this deep wave is looking. It is absolutely gorgeous. So again, I'm going to continue filling in these crochet braids, and I am going to show you just how this style comes out. I just always remember that when I have clients who have alopecia, hair loss, thin hair, or damaged hair, when I use this neck cap, I am crocheting mainly on the net. Again, that's what we want to do, ladies, because we want to give their natural hair a break, meaning we don't want any tension, any pulling, or any stress on it. So here, as you can see, I am just filling in the last portions of her hair, making sure that it is nice and full, because we don't want any spots to be shown. We don't want anyone to know that she has any hair loss in any areas, and especially up here at the top, because this is the part that she has the most hair loss. It's at the top and in the front. So as you can see, I have been filling this in. It looks absolutely beautiful. I made sure that I crocheted all the way down to the nape of her neck so that she will be able to pull this up into a ponytail and get it up off her neck if she chooses to do so. So again, I'm going to continue to keep crocheting and making sure that it is nice and full, especially at the top, because this is the area again where she has the most hair loss, and we want this to be undetectable. Yes, meaning if the wind blows, or she shakes her head a certain way, or if she bends over a certain way, we don't want any areas to show any hair loss. So again, I am filling this in, and I've actually only used 2 packs. And yes, ladies, this is the end results. This is the end results of this deep wave crochet braid style. Look how beautiful this came out. Look how natural it looks. Yes, my client is covering up her face because she does not want her identity to be shown, and that's okay. And I truly appreciate her for letting me record so that I can show those who do have hair loss, who do have alopecia severe, or just in areas that there are many beautiful styles that you can still wear. Please don't get discouraged. Please don't get frustrated thinking that there are no styles that you can wear. As you can see here, it looks very natural in the front. It looks very natural on the sides. This style came out absolutely gorgeous. Thank you so much for tuning in, and continue to watch my other videos. Tap the link in the description below. It will take you to our website so that you can see a lot of the beautiful and the hair growth products that I do have, our hair growth butter and our hair growth oil. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and stay blessed.